So if we use traditional systems for construction, we are lost.
We see a lot more need from the customers to do more with less.
When we speak of construction, I don't think people really understand the magnitude of what has to be done in the future. Just to host the newcomers on the planet, and the people coming from rural areas to cities, in the next 20 years, humankind has to build the equivalent of a city of Manhattan every 4 months. So if we use traditional systems for construction, we are lost. It's too much carbon, it's too much natural resources. It just doesn't work. So we need these type of things, absolutely. And
that's our ambition, to become the green and smart reinforcement provider for fiber solutions inside the concrete. We see a lot more need from the customers to do more with less. And our main focus is actually reinforcing construction. And when I say construction, we can talk about 3 main areas. Our main focus today is concrete reinforcement with our steel fibers.
Dramix fibers, how do they look?
Absolutely.
Wow.
So normally these fibers are glued like this, and we have a water-soluble glue which allows the homogeneous distribution of the fibers throughout the concrete mix. So we not only have a 1 layer of rebar, but we have a continuous reinforcement throughout the concrete matrix, which allows that reinforcement providing the same amount of performance with less material. Place partially or completely the traditional reinforcement to allow not only savings in materials, but also reducing the amount of concrete that will be used. So all that material saving translates into sustainability or carbon emission reduction. If you imagine a 33-kilometer of tunnel and how much rebar would be needed, and if you eliminate that rebar, put a Dramix 4D solution in there, which allows a higher performance, where we can also reduce the thickness of those segmental lining along 33 kilometers. That's a substantial CO2 savings that we're talking there.
Can you quantify that? What could it potentially mean versus the conservative solution and then the Dramix solution? How much you are saving?
Absolutely. It obviously depends from one project to another. If we're eliminating a double layer mesh and reducing the concrete thickness, we're probably talking about 35% of CO2 savings overall.
That's significant.
Between 20 to 35% CO2 savings.
That's one of my favorites. It's the first Bekaert solution that received the Solar Impulse label.
Correct, indeed. Yes. We recently, this week, received our Solar Impulse label for Dramix solutions.
Look, this is something nice.
Yes.
So now I can hand it over.
Wow. Congratulations.
Congratulations,
Thank you.